Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Narrated Umar bin Al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him. Once a Jew said to me, "O the chief of believers, there is a verse in your holy book which is read by all of you Muslims, and had it been revealed to us, we would have taken that day on which it was revealed as a day of celebration." Umar bin Al-Khattab asked, "Which is that verse?" The Jew replied, "This day I have perfected your religion for you, completed my favor upon you, and have chosen for you Islam as your religion." Umar replied, "No doubt, we know when and where this verse was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. It was Friday, and the Prophet was standing at Arafat." Jazakallah.